So here we have the new Sonos Roam, just delivered today, and it's quite exciting. It's quite a cool looking box. You can see it's kind of got this kind of recycled kind of cardboard look to it, and it's got the hanging things. Presume they're hoping to get it hanging up on the side of shelves, etc. in stores. The cheapest Sonos product, certainly which I've seen in terms of speakers. It's 159, I think it was. So it's still quite expensive for what it is, but I think it's quite a cool offering compared to the other Bluetooth and portable speakers that are out there. I've got a couple of Sonos speakers downstairs, so it all links in with that. And there's some nice features on this too. So let's open it up. Now I've popped off the tabs on there already. And let's have a look. So, oh, nice. Kind of got that similar kind of Sonos thing we often get with the soft, soft bag around it. And let's open her up. There we go. I went for the white one. Comes in white. Comes in black too. So there she is. Lovely. Looks good. Looking forward to opening that in a second. And then under here, what do we have? We have a setup. Let's get started. Bit of instructions. And I presume that is a USB-C cable. Yes. There we go. So get that going. Get that out. What I've got here in the setup. Some quick start instructions. So press the power button, got the app already, and it tells you some features. So let me get loaded up then. Let's see what we can do. Things I'm really excited about. This grouping or swapping. I think that'd be a really cool feature. And the ability to have it just anywhere in my house and wirelessly charged too. So at the bottom of it here, I believe. Yeah, there we go. There's the wireless charging pad. So you can stick in your wireless charging pad like so. You have the controllers on top. And you go to the little voice control button. We use Alexa in this house. Play pause, which does the swapping and the grouping. And it's got the, obviously the volume buttons, plus and minus. So I'm going to get it set up and see what we can do with it. So all set up, we've got it currently running on the Wi-Fi network, which is the clear light that's going on there. I've also got it set up on my Bluetooth as well, so that I can connect it to my phone and iPad, etc. and send stuff to it. It's come about 50% charged, so it's ready to go from the box. I popped it on, it sounds really good, really good. And I had a little go with the grouping and the swapping feature. Works really well, actually. I was quite surprised how well that works. And it's just a nice feature to be able to have it in the garden, which probably I use it the most anyway. Come inside the house, hold down the group button, and let's send my music through to the rest of the speakers. Or, of course, just have it all the time connected to the rest of the speakers running around the house. So, looking forward to this. It's a good bit of kit. Looks really nice in this white colour, which I've already got one in this kind of way too. And I think it's better than the black one. I have got the black stuff as well. But yeah, really nice bit of kit, nice bit of boxing. Well done, Sonos. Looking forward to using this.